breaking through my night. You whisper softly, behold, I make all things new. My tears have watered barren ground, but now your spirit breathes. Life is coming forth again. The storms that shook me cannot stop the seed you planted deep within my heart. Lord, I rise because your word is true. This is my season of new life. Oge Ndụ Ohuru, a season of new life. Jesus, you restore me. You renew my soul again. Oge Ndụ Ohuru, my hope is rising now. You are making all things new in me. What was broken, you mend with love. What was empty, you fill with strength again. Every valley lifts before your feet. Every dry place drinks the rain of your glory. You turn my mourning into dancing, my heaviness into garments of praise. Father, I stand in your promise. My new season has begun. You open doors no man can shut. You speak life and darkness bows. Your grace has carried me. Your mercy leads me on. Spirit of God, breathe on me. Let rivers of renewal flow again. This is my moment.